Hey everyone, it's been way too long. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. Let me show you what we have in store for you all. On my YouTube channel, you're gonna find 3 types of videos. Category number 1 is going to be my favorite, product reviews. I'm gonna share with you what I have in my wedding kit, what I have in my personal kit, and also what to look for specific skin conditions. So whatever it might be, whether it's for you, your neighbor, your grandma, if you're looking for anti-aging, I'm gonna show you my magic tool belt. So be ready, that will be the first types of videos that you will see on my channel. Category number 2 is going to be makeup tutorials. Whether you're a working professional or someone that just wants to perfect their skills, I will show you step-by-step techniques on skincare as well as makeup application. One of the best things that you're going to really enjoy about my channel is I'm going to work with all ages, all skin types, and all ethnicities. Category number 3, this is also going to be pretty entertaining. It's going to be behind the scenes. You get to watch me in my real life and you get to see what me and my husband are up to. Thank you again for your time. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at BeautyExpertJane. Stay fabulous!